Hi, this is Gautami. Today in this video, we'll see how to view audit logs for environment extensions. Whenever we modify the environment extension values, a snapshot for these extension values along with who made the changes and when is captured for comparison with previous revisions are available. If you need to restore the prior extension values, or if you wanted to compare your previous values differences, also if you wanted to see whatever changes that have been made or whoever have done so, and if you wanted to re-enter the previous values into your environment extensions, you can use these audit logs for the reference. Today I'll show you how we can view the audit logs for your extensions. So first of all, let me bring up my screen for the same. So this is Atomsphere UI. To navigate the view audit logs, you should navigate through manage, under manage, atom management, and then select your respective environment and click on the environment extensions. So here you could see a dialog called show audit logs. So this is where you could see your previous values and the whatever changes that have been made to your extensions. I have already entered two values for my extensions. One is for a connection component test disconnection and also for the dynamic process properties. So I'll show you how to get these values from your audit logs. So when you click on your view audit logs, you'll get the information like the user, whoever made the changes, date whenever they made these changes, and the audit log type as it is extensions. The audit log type is extensions. And if you wanted to see whatever components that have been changed or whatever values that have been given for those components, so you can click on this new value. So it is an XML representation. So as I mentioned earlier, I made a connection component change. So you could see there is a connection ID for my connection and the connection name, and I've given a directory value test, which you could get it from here. The next is the properties. Under properties, you could see property name test, which is my dynamic process property test, and the value that I've given is 12345. I'll again make some changes to these components. So I'll change test to test 123 in this dynamic process properties 12345 to 67890. Okay, and then click OK. So now my extensions have been changed. So we'll see what are the logs that are available for these extensions now. You could see I have made some changes recently, and you could see that audit log is available here. So when again I click on this new value, I have changed my connection component value from test to test 123 and dynamic process property test to 67890. And somehow I wanted to restore it to my previous values, and I have no idea what are the previous values that have been given to this particular components or the process properties. So I'll again click on this previous audit log, and when I click on the new value for that particular log, I can get the values from here and give these values in the extensions and uh, click on the OK to get these extension values saved. So this is how we can view the audit logs for extensions, and we can get the previous changes as well, and we can also get some informations what are the changes that have been made, and we can compare the values with our previous changes as well. And also we should make a note here that these audit logs dialog, that what we can see here, it can be opened only by administrators and users having the view audit logs privilege. So this is one thing that we should keep it in mind when we wanted to have the privilege of viewing the audit logs for the extensions. Thank you.